This is Richie from Esri's Prototype Lab, demonstrating Terrain Exporter. This is a tool for creating files to be imported into game engines like Unity and Unreal to create terrains. So here I started by dragging a box around the area of interest. In this case it's the Grand Canyon, and I defined a 2x1 grid. These are two terrains side by side that I want to create in my game engine, and they're sized about 4,000 meters in width and height. And here I'm specifying the resolution of the output files. I want to have two resolutions of raw images and one high resolution image of the satellite imagery. So that download has already been requested and downloaded as a single zip file. And here I'm just going to unzip the file. And we have two sets of raw images for the elevation and one set of imagery. Now it's starting a new project in Unity called Test 10. And first thing I'm going to do is add those two images to the assets folder in Unity. This will be used later as a texture. So those images will be bundled with the Unity project. And now we're creating a new terrain object in Unity. Default size is 500 by 500. We're going to keep those default sizes and then apply the texture. Here we're creating a new texture. We're going to drop the first image, and again we have to specify that the size of that texture is going to be 500 by 500 meters, so that spans the entire width and height of the terrain. And next thing is actually apply the heights from the raw images. So here we requested two sets. We're going to try the lowest resolution terrain right now. It's 64 by 64, and because their axes are different, we need to flip the y-axis, and it's going to reorient the terrain so that it's facing due north. North is actually the y-axis in Unity. So it looks good. Now we're going to quickly go through and speed up the process here, adding a separate terrain. I'm going to need to offset the terrain, of course, by 500 meters to the right, to the east, and then quickly add the imagery, again the same resolution, and then add the terrain as a raw file. Add the imagery, add the elevation, and side by side that is a nice match. So here we've created two terrains from imagery and elevation from ArcGIS Online.